Welcome to my Drupal Top 10. Number 1. Drupal is open source. Drupal is free. It's a completely open source project with some incredibly powerful features. In fact, Drupal can be as powerful, flexible, and beautiful as you need with less work than starting from scratch. And even if you're a developer, that's good news. Number 2, Drupal is flexible. Drupal is one of the most adaptive systems out there today. Drupal works well with sophisticated websites that require many different custom content types. Developers use it as both a CMS and as a broader web development platform. It's like somebody just hands you a pile of Lego and says, build whatever you want, the sky's the limit. With custom content types, views, and more, Drupal is ultimately flexible. Number 3, Drupal is mobile ready. Right out of the box, you can view and administer every page on your Drupal site from any device you choose. Number 4, Drupal is fantastic for big projects, from the whitehouse.gov to weather.com and even the Dallas Cowboys. Drupal can handle your biggest project. Drupal shines with more complex websites. It's a great solution for people who want to build a feature-rich website, and it's a great solution for large enterprises. That's Drupal's sweet spot. Number 5, Drupal is friendly, social, and searchable. Drupal helps people find my site and my content. Also, Drupal allows site editors to add tags, descriptions, keywords, and human-friendly URLs. Number 6, Drupal is safe and secure. Drupal keeps your sites safe with regular security updates, hashed passwords, session IDs that change when permissions change, text format permissions restricting user input, and a whole lot more. Drupal takes security really, really seriously. Number 6, if you need more, well, wow, there's more. If you need to extend your Drupal site from what comes out of the box, there are thousands and thousands of modules that add features to your Drupal site. You can have multiple themes or versions of a theme on the same site, and you have complete control over the visual presentation of your website data. Really, if you need more, there's more. You can build sites that your clients will love. Number 8, if you need help, there is a fantastic community around Drupal, and it is huge. If your relationship ends with a client or a developer, and for all the reasons that they sometimes do, there's a massive, active, and very supportive community. There are events all over the world. Local events are called Drupal camps, and every year there are major Drupal cons all around the world. There are very active forums, user groups, and IRC chats dedicated to Drupal support. Number 8, there are some very large and experienced companies around Drupal. Acquia, our partner for this series, is the largest Drupal company and offers a wide range of services and support. There are also hundreds of smaller shops and tons of freelancers who know Drupal. Number 10, Drupal is everywhere. Drupal will never leave you high and dry. With over 1.2 million websites at the time of this recording, Drupal runs 3% of the entire web and 15% of the top 10,000 websites. Drupal's incredibly popular with governments, education, nonprofits, and large enterprises. And so that's my Drupal Top 10.